Backwards. This one. Wait, can you just stop moving for a bit? I'm trying to find the best icon. I'm stunned. Nah, swap right now, swap right now. Bro, that space is tight. You're not helping. I cannot see the space. Can you give me that top down? Yeah, like and you press find player. Yeah, I mean it is. Bro. Bro! Backwards. I can't move proper. Can you stop spinning? Don't spin. I was trying to find the angle. Get stunned. Wait, that's first. I am not lying. You're the one that's lying. I don't know. You're just. No, no, I'm not. Bro! Okay. Hey! No, can you stun yourself? Ah! Swap. Yeah, that's the point. Yes, exactly. So where am I? Oh no, this is easy. Bro, it's because the drone wings. Why are you shooting me? I'm not a black person. No, I'm not. I'm a race car enthusiast. Who? I don't know. Yeah, Beagle. It's not my fault. Yeah, I mean it's like that. Trust me. That was a tight space. Now you lose anyways. You move. If you move, my things move too. Yeah, backwards. Ball. Bro, shoot! Am I dead? Yeah, I think I'm dead. No, you're not. Wait, there's a shop. You can buy. You can buy a jet. No, it's a drone skin. You're at a different place. Can you find the red thing? A red outline. Press find some the magnifying glass. Swap. Swap. Why am I dead? What? Don't call me by my legal name. Camera sensitivity. I'll just be. Oh, yeah.